Hey guys, just wanted to do a Cornwell custom. I think it's a 94-inch toolbox review. Not seen very many of the Cornwell boxes on YouTube, so gotta try. Oh. Socket drawer. Few odds and ends, pry bar. Kind of a tool nut. Junk drawer, just random cookies, green crops, sandpaper, steel wool, you name it, it's probably in there. Drill bits, go through a lot of them, taps and dies, easy outs. Kind of a homemade / torque wrench / glad hand / whatever, you know, that stuff you really don't have a good spot for. Fuse assortments, taps, dies, thread chasers, dial indicator, buzz saw, love that. More empty boxes, taps and die kits, O-rings in the back left corner, and then my fitting stash. Some fittings you don't typically use in big kits. Let's see, random stuff, that's an empty drawer as I consider it. The electrical drawer. It's messy, but serves me very well. Empty. 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 My air tool section here. It's another one that could be empty. I just choose to throw random stuff in it. Hat. Little paperwork. Kind of got my soldering and stuff like soldering stuff in it mainly. Shrink wrap. Screwdrivers. Really good long ones in there and back. Cornwell's, like I said, Cornwell's pretty good stuff. They're just not very popular for some reason. Pliers. It's kind of my backup stash. I'll get to my tool cart here in a second. Hammers of all sorts. I got some more in the tool cart. Filter wrenches, random pair of really long needle nose Allen wrenches. Glove, hats, paperworks, scan tools, jump starter. Spill-proof frontal, love that. I wish they'd come out with that for big trucks. Big diesels. And sorry about that. For the tool cart. Kind of a funny story. It's not really a tool cart. It's a showcase version of their Snap-on's old style boxes, their 65th anniversary edition. I actually was after a tool cart and ended up with this for the same money. So top's got all my heavily used sockets in it. Quick disconnect. Some people might hate me. The tool doesn't quite fit. I make it fit. I actually have sets of these, but in a pinch I was on the road one time and had to make one of these. It's actually a gross foot. I have Snap-on stuff too. I'm not brand specific, whatever does the job well. This is my first set of screwdrivers, holding up really well. Some multi-groove adjustable pliers. Ratchets. Kind of have a ratchet obsession. I don't know why. This one's kind of cool. Use it like a normal ratchet, or if you actually twist this in, it just ratchets this. Handy in a tight spot. Extensions. More pliers. Never ever have enough pliers. Pry bars. The basic chisels I use. Yeah, they're cheapy Pittsburghs, but hey, for $5, can you really go wrong? Pipe wrench. Ping and fork, as I was always taught it was called. Assortment of ether, never sees, thread locker in the back, thread sealant, aspirin for those real pain in the ass jobs, super glue, assembly grease, electrical grease, baby Torx, pipe cutter. Random nuts and bolts drawer. I'm sure if it's anything Volvo related, I've got it in there. For the most part. I guess I shouldn't say everything. Zip tie collection. Don't really like the white ones, but hey. Knives. Paint markers. Some more Volvo bolts. Anyone knows what this bolt does to a Volvo? They get a prize. Scrapers. Test lights, random lights someone gave me, some more bolts, electrical tape. Got a stellar deal on cutoff wheels one time. Little toothbrushes they call them. O-ring drawer, AC, water lines, you name it, the O-ring's probably in there. And hey, you gotta be prepared for a beard anytime. More wrenches. This particular set they call Flank Drive Plus. It's got the grooves that bites on the open end. Love those. Gear wrench. Oops, pardon me. Gear wrench, ratcheting wrench set. It's good stuff. All metrics in this drawer. I hate metrics. Not really much going on in this drawer. I kind of use this as the bolt bin for like a normal tool cart. You'll put your stuff here. Really big crescent, old C-clamps, big pair of scissors, rack drawer, some more of my hammers, tape measure. This one actually is good in millimeters. Volvos call for that kind of stuff. Level, never know when you're going to need it. Bit set, belt tensioner removal, impact driver, more O-rings, torque set, master Allen wrench set, connectors, which you can kind of see. I'm not a big fan of these, but hey, in a pinch, you do what you got to do. My electrical drawer, 3/8 impact on the top right, old school 14.4 volt 3/8 impact. I still use it. Bit driver, 3/8 drill, sawzall, the old 14.4 volt 1/2 inch drill, 3/8 electric ratchet. Power steering pulley remover. I do work on cars as well, not only Volvos. Safety vest, torch. If you guys want to see more of my shenanigans going on around here, just give me a shout. Love to see what's in your guys' toolboxes.